Bro, a new trend is creating a buzz on Instagram. People are transforming their photos into dreamy Ghibli-style art. And you can do this easily without any hassle. Just look at this, pure magic. All you have to do is upload a photo, and the best part? You don't need to be a professional designer to create it. So, let's dive into it and follow the instructions.
Open Play Store. Install the Grok app. Open it and log in with any Google account. Click on plus icon. Upload the photo you want to convert. Type the prompt into box. Make sure to like and subscribe. Here we go.